The ancient maxim caveat emptor, meaning buyer beware, warns that buyers assume virtually all the risks associated with a transaction. But in Bloor versus Fritz, the court explained why sellers and intermediaries need to be careful, too. Robert and Charmaine Fritz owned a home that they leased out to tenants. Lance Miller, a real estate agent, co-owned the rental management company. In January 2004, police raided the house, finding a marijuana-growing operation in the basement and evidence of a methamphetamine manufacturing laboratory on the rear deck. Police arrested the tenants and issued a press release about drug production at the house. Officers also informed Charmaine, who in turn told Miller, who'd already seen news reports about the raid. Miller also followed up with law enforcement. In May, the Fritzes decided to sell the home. They cleaned it up. They also completed a seller's disclosure statement stating that the property had never been used to manufacture illegal drugs. Eddie and Eva Bloor, from out of state, walked through the Fritzes' house, then made an offer. Miller represented both the Fritzes and the Bloors in the transaction. Miller provided the disclosure statement to the Bloors and never mentioned the police raid or the drug production. The sale closed in August. A month after moving in, the Bloors heard about the house's history. Eva contacted the police, and an officer confirmed that there'd been a meth lab in the house. Eva then contacted the county health department, which responded that no one had reported the meth lab. The health department inspected the house, found contamination from meth production, and declared the property unfit for occupancy. It ordered the Bloors to immediately vacate and leave almost all their personal belongings in the house. The Bloors had to find a place to live and buy new clothing, furniture, and other essentials. They also had to hire a certified decontamination contractor to clean the house. The Bloors suffered financial losses, emotional distress, and anxiety. The Bloors sued the Fritzes and Miller. The trial court awarded the Bloors actual damages, punitive damages, and attorney fees, rescinded the purchase agreement, and ordered the Fritzes to repay the purchase price plus interest. The Fritzes and Miller appealed.